Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel The Golden Platter. Today's recipe is a very interesting breakfast and snack recipe that can be made in just few minutes, and it's very healthy too. And one more thing, it has a very secret ingredient to make it more creamy and rich. The name of the recipe is date and banana shake. But before moving on to the recipe, make sure you're subscribed to the channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of the amazing recipes. So let's get started. The ingredients required for this recipe are 1 cup milk, 1 frozen banana, 3 dates that have been pitted, 10 almonds, 1 teaspoon peanut butter and 1 teaspoon honey. So we take a blender jar and into it we add the pitted dates. The seeds of the dates have been removed. Then goes frozen banana. This is the secret ingredient. That's not a normal banana but a frozen one. I peeled the skin of the banana and put it in a Ziploc bag and kept it in the freezer. This will give a very rich and creamy texture to your milkshake. It will feel like you are drinking a shake with an ice cream. Next ingredient is almonds. Then goes peanut butter. Then we add a teaspoon of honey. And lastly, we're gonna add milk. Now we'll blend all these ingredients to make our shake. So we have blended the milkshake and it's ready to pour in the glass. Now we'll pour it into the glass. This is looking so thick and creamy. And I'm gonna top it with few banana slices and a drizzle of honey. So our super delicious and super tasty and super healthy date and banana shake is ready. And if you want, you can replace the regular or full fat milk with skim milk or almond milk. And for more fiber content, you can add rolled oats as well. This shake is very healthy and will keep you full for a very long time. I'm sure you all will love this recipe. Please try this at home and do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.